4 DIY overnight face masks for healthy skin. Number 1. Overnight turmeric and milk face mask. Raw milk is an excellent anti-tan agent. It proves to be an excellent natural remedy to treat suntan at home. Moreover, raw milk comprises lactic acid, which helps in getting an even skin tone. Whereas, turmeric has antiseptic and antibacterial properties and also helps with skin brightening. How to prepare turmeric and milk face mask. Take a bowl and mix 4 tablespoons of turmeric powder and 5 to 6 tablespoons of raw milk in it. It will be like a runny paste. Now, with the help of your fingers, apply it all over your face and neck, sun-exposed area. Leave it on overnight, and rinse your face with cold water the next morning. For better results, apply it 3 to 4 times a week. Number 2. Overnight egg white face mask. Egg white is rich in vitamin A, which is known to tighten the skin, close pores, and, in fact, fights anti-aging issues. How to prepare egg white face mask. Take a bowl and add 1 egg white in it. Apply the egg white evenly to your face. It will take around 15 minutes to dry. You could either leave it on overnight or wash it off. If you are keeping for overnight, then wash it off with cold water the next morning. For better results, use it 2 to 3 times a week. Number 3. Overnight oats and honey face mask. Oats contain compounds called saponins, which act as natural cleansers. Oats can soak up the excess oil on your skin and helps reduce acne. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help treat dry skin and remove dead skin cells. Honey is a fantastic moisturizer and works wonders on patches of dry skin. If you have dry knees and elbows, or even chapped lips, apply honey on it. How to prepare oats and honey face mask. Start with mixing 1 tablespoon of oats and 1 tablespoon of honey in a bowl. Leave the mixture to rest for 5 minutes, until the oats soften. Now, mash the oats and mix well. Apply this mixture evenly on your face, and keep it for overnight. It will moisturize and repair your skin from damage done by the harmful rays of the sun. Number 4. Overnight tomato face mask. Tomato works as an astringent. It is best for acne-prone skin. It also helps in reviving the glow on dull skin and is an excellent remedy for sunburn. How to prepare tomato face mask. Take a medium-sized tomato, cut it into 2 halves. Take about 2 tablespoons of raw milk in a bowl. Blend the tomato along with raw milk and apply the paste to your face. Leave it on overnight and rinse off with cold water in the morning. Some of the masks can be a little messy like the oat and honey mask, whereas some may have an overpowering smell like egg white mask. In such case, you may rinse the mask off before you sleep. The choice is yours. They will still do wonders to your skin. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.